My grandfather came to America from Syria, working 3 jobs, 18-hour days just to feed his kids. All the meanwhile, my grandmother was making this round little white pita bread that not many people knew about at the time. So he'd take this homemade bread and walk around the neighborhood, trying to make American friends, trying to learn the American culture. Hey, Joe, can we get some more of that bread? You know, can we have some more of that bread? Before you know it, more and more people are asking, and one day he decided to quit all the jobs and open up a little pita bread shop.
Today, pita bread is our staple. We make lavash, we make tortillas, wraps, pancakes, pizza dough, pizza crust. If you want a flat bread, we can make it. There's a huge demand for Joseph's products right now, but we need to have the right equipment in place in order to achieve the goals that we've set forth. Mixing is the first and most important step of baking. It's imperative that you get it right the first time. Our mixers, you know, they're tired. They're the mixers my grandfather bought in 1972. We can't continue to scale at the level that we have without the best equipment that the industry has to offer. Obviously, cost is a top priority. The second biggest thing for me is the relationship. WP Kemper, they're experts in their field. They're all good people. Headquartered a couple hours away from us, they have a spare parts facility in the same state that we're in. This is almost too good to be true. We purchased 8 Kemper Kronos Pro mixers. We are eagerly awaiting the arrival of these mixers. We went from a 1982 Camry to a 2020 Ferrari, driving consistency in ways that we hadn't been able to do before, not only in the same shift, but across 3 shifts, 7 days a week. We're not breaking down in ways that we were seeing before, a lot more reliable equipment. We were able to almost cut our headcount in half in the mixing room and put that talent in other areas throughout the facility. We were taking upwards of 20 minutes to mix 250 pounds of dough. We can mix 425 pounds of dough in about 10 minutes now.
My grandfather used to say to my father,
if we can be using 1,000 pounds of flour a week,
we really made it, Johnny. You know, we've really made it there.
This week we'll use north of 600,000 pounds through the mixing rooms.
I kind of wish they were around to see it.
Dad, Pa, you know, we're doing okay.